Welcome to Alila Ubud. It's a tranquil hillside retreat that sits high up on the edge of the rich green Ayung River Valley in Bali's central foothills, blending the contemporary design and traditional Balinese architecture. The secluded courtyards, spacious terraces, and private gardens create an intimate feelings like none other. All rooms offer stunning views of the lush tropical vegetation surrounding the valley. Welcome back to my channel, Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. If you are new from my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my new travel experience video. Enjoy watching Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. Alila Ubud lies in the traditional Balinese hill village of the Payang on the banks of the mystical and the magical Ayung River. Alila Ubud is just 5 kilometers from the Bali's artistic center of Ubud, a place where artists, writers, and musicians from around the world find their inspiration. Her guests can visit several arts galleries and museums, see the dramatic and opulent temple festivals and dances, to take it the magic of the real Bali. Unique destination experiences can be arranged by the Alila Ubud's leisure concierge. Their team are equipped with the local insights and know how to create unforgettable experiences, either by way from the hustle bustle with authentic trips to the mountain villages, rice terraces, natural springs, or explore Bali arts and culture where Ubud is well known for. A myriad lifestyle activities are available in all around the resort. For your life, sure to explore yoga and tai chi, couple celebrations experiences, Balinese dancing, cultural learnings, cycling, and the trekking. Traditional Balinese design and modern geometry come together in rooms and villas built on still overlooking the Ayung River Valley. This Terrece 3 villa, one bedroom with a one shower and one bathtub outside, with a 969 square feet and 90 square meter. From its loofy hillside first on the sunrise side of the resort, the spacious villa invites you to unwind and the lap of the nature above the rich jungle canopy, cooled by the valley breeze and the calm by the gentle ripples of the creek below. Perched on the wooden stilt as the forest canopy level, each terrace tree villa was designed to mimic a treehouse floating high above the valley. If you are lucky to wake up as early as possible, you can catch the phenomenal sunrise. But I'm really sorry, I'm so tired and don't have a chance to wake up as early as possible. And wine any time of the day on the woody terrace, surrounded by a peaceful views of the valley. And this terrace tree villa built in the cliffs of the valley. The purpose of this mask, as far as I know, they try to put in outside to scare the monkeys, especially during daytime. Expect time to time that the monkeys will visit on your villa. If you have time during your vacation, you can still visit their gym and enjoy the facilities at all times. Welcome to their spa. Provide a unique treatments from the heart, blending Asian healing techniques with the age-old beauty recipe picturing the creative benefits of fresh, natural, quality ingredients. Spa Alila and the Alila Ubud pictures bath bar, unique outdoor treatments, and inspiring settings. Force your well-being journey in Alila. Their staff trained in anatomical physiology, massage, meditation, and services. Their local therapists combine the latest nutrition and health knowledge with warm, genuine care. In consultations with their therapists, you will enjoy the flexibility of designing treatments according to your personal needs and preferences for a true unique approach to well-being. Accommodations for 56 rooms are housed in 14 blocks designed to resemble the Balinese village. All rooms have panoramic view of the magical Ayung Valley. The lower floor rooms features individual gardens, terrace, and a back courtyard with an open-air bathroom and a shower. The upper floor rooms enclose a private balcony and unobstructed views. In rooms, amenities, minibars, safe, IDD telephone, coffee, and tea-making facilities. iPad and clocking stations will be displayed in all deluxe rooms. This 25-meter infinity swimming pool is a central feature of the resort. It provides the place to lay back and enjoy the valley and the greenery. Did you know that Alila Ubud Pools has been voted one of the 50 most beautiful pools in the world by the Travel and Leisure magazine? Did you know that you can get also the other services and facilities of Alila? Complimentary Wi-Fi internet access, in-rooms dining, Alila Living Boutique, meeting and wedding venues, sculpture gardens, reading and internet lounge, airport transfer, a car rental facilities, complimentary shuttle service to Ubud Central based on hotel schedule, and also the laundry services. Welcome to the Plantation Restaurant, towering a coconut pillars and a traditional touch roof blend a bright and open feel to the brasserie-style restaurant. Alila Executive Chef artfully prepares authentic Asian and a seasonal cuisine as well as some of the finest Balinese dishes. Cuisine naturally from the organic farm is also available, and this restaurant sitting for 48 and 32 on the terrace. Alila services dine on the vivid flavors of authentic Balinese cuisine or a savory Western farm-to-table tasting menu amidst towering coconut trees. Plantation Restaurant, Alila Ubud culinary team passionately prepares authentic Balinese cuisine and farm-to-table Western tasting menus inspired by seasonal ingredients, sourced locally or harvested from their organic gardens. A well-selected wine list is available to accompany your meal. Among restaurants in Ubud, their open Balinese-style dining venue, will central bar, towering coconut pillars, and a traditional alang-alang roof creates an exotic feels for diners as they experience stunning views of their natural surroundings. We are lucky that during our stay at Alila, we have the schedule of the special dinner event with the typical Balinese spices that you can find in Ubud vicinity. And also, we have a show with a talented actors from their cultural learnings in Ubud. You may need only to check at the Alila website or ask to the possible dates or some special events in the hotel. Surprisingly different, the hallmark of Alila is the combinations of innovative design and luxury in the unique locations, set apart by the unprecedented level of private space, crafted artisanship, personalized hospitality, and the bespoke journeys. Alila means surprise in the Sanskrit, which sustainable describe and represent character of the properties and impressions of their guests when they stay with them. In support of the sustainable tourism, Alila hotels adopt the Earth Check operating standards, integrating the natural, physical, and cultural elements of the environment. To stay at any of these Alila hotels and resorts is to embark on the destination experience, be it in recreating the flavors of the local cuisine, enhancing your wellness being through ancient healing arts, of the thrill of the adventure sports, you will be discover the luxury of living at the Alila Hotel.